Up around DX land, Lawbreaker Jamaica. Hello around DX land. Oh, Lawbreaker Jamaica, waving, breaker.
Hey, Lawbreaker, I don't know, we got condition with you and now, Lawbreaker 91, Buckeye, right?
Hey, 91, you got conditions, man. I appreciate you calling my name in the Hall of Fame. Good afternoon time to you. 91, your Lawbreaker got down.
Chanell, Lawbreaker, we dog your mighty fire, man. Blessed weekend to you and the family. Lawbreaker, Hitman, Roger Magnolia. Good evening, Lawbreaker, Hitman, Roger Magnolia, back up.
Bye, 91, take it easy, take care, man. I heard a Hitman out there, too. Hello, Hitman. Lawbreaker, back out.
Yeah, Lawbreaker sound good, Roger Mag, no doubt about it. Good evening to you, catch you later. Lawbreaker, Hitman, Roger Magnolia, back out.
410, and that be my Roger. Mr. Hitman, put it on your half dab later. Your Lawbreaker right down Montego Bay, Jamaica. We back in the bushes.
Lawbreaker, one more time.
I heard somebody calling me out there, man. Not sure if you said 006, but good afternoon, good evening time to that big brother. Oh, Lawbreaker around Jamaica on the return.
To you,
Hey, 002, my apologies, man. It's the jungle out there. Hey, 002, hope everything is well and swell across that cat picking in. Yeah, 002, Lawbreaker Jamaica, be back in the bushes.
Hey, Lawbreaker 5 in the Keystone. Hello, Lawbreaker 5 in the Keystone.
Hey, 5 in the Keystone, when you do it like that, man, I ain't got no choice but to talk to my radio. Loud and proud, 5 in the Keystone, your Lawbreaker Jamaica, right back.
Hey, Lawbreaker, just want to say welcome to the Keystone. I'm just sitting in my driveway.
Hey, 5, while you sitting in the driveway, man, I be just sitting in the room, just watching the cat picking radio and watching that cat picking sound, the modulator go up and down, the cat picking tail like James Brown, no doubt about it. Put it on you later. Your Lawbreaker right down Montego Bay, Jamaica, be back in the bushes. Who out there calling Lawbreaker? Good afternoon time to you, Lawbreaker. We on the listening side.
Hello, Lawbreaker Jamaica. 323 in Cleveland. 323 in this Buckeye State checking on in.
Hey, 323, heard it when you said it that time around, big brother. Sounded good on my radio. 323, your Lawbreaker Jamaica, right back.
That's a good thing. 323's broke down Lawbreaker. Cleveland, Ohio, checking on in. Baby.
By 323, be good, be kind till we cross the line again. 323, your Lawbreaker Jamaica. Have a good day.
Broke down Lawbreaker 4 in Cleveland, Ohio. 323, back out.
Click, click.
Hey, what about it, Lawbreaker Jamaica? Board, Cleveland, Ohio. Some mud duck in Cleveland, Ohio, getting up.
You still got the edge while you parked up in that driveway, man. I got you on top of the pile. Oh, Lawbreaker Jamaica, we got down.
Hey, Lawbreaker,
By 5, be good, be kind till we cross the line again. 5, your Lawbreaker Jamaica just got down.
What about it, Lawbreaker? 428. Catch you later.
420 Alabama, we got a Roger on you too, man. I appreciate you bumping it down in the world of sound. Your Lawbreaker Jamaica right back.
10-4, Lawbreaker, man. You making a trip. Got some good audio going on up here in Alabama. You sounding good. Where you find him?
Hey, 420, I appreciate the radio report, man. I'm gonna bad this guy big a thing up and get on out of here. I got a video gate rolling. Oh, Lawbreaker around Jamaica, be back out in the bushes.
Lawbreaker, before you get up out of there, Johnny Cochran in the law. Johnny Cochran in the law. 323, broke down and
Hey, Johnny Cochran, heard it when you said it, man. As they say, big brother, if it don't fit, you gotta quit. Put it on you later, Johnny Cochran, your Lawbreaker Jamaica got down.
Hey, Telephone Big Brother, we want to wish you the welcome to the weekend. Got some golden numbers on the party. From the small to the tallest. Peace and love. Hey, my big brother, Lawbreaker, you know who it is in the Lord. And this number one, fuck out bully, Mobile. From the small to the tallest. Peace and love. Hey, my big brother.
Bye, Johnny. Hey, Johnny, that be the Watergate. Put it on you sometime later. Johnny Cochran, your Lawbreaker got down.
And that's my big brother, Lawbreaker Roger. When I got down, I dropped in the smell. Make me put my foot on the floor.